Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And my name is Jente.
And we're in Ambialet in the Tarn department in France. Behind us is the Chateau de Saint-Raphael.
Yes.
And we're gonna climb up there.
And we're taking you with us.
Let's go! This thin stretch of land of a peninsula in the Tarn River has been important throughout the ages. Both Gauls and Romans saw the strategic importance of a settlement here. During the Middle Ages, Ambialet was the seat of an important viscounty encompassing large swaths of land in the current Tarn department. In the 12th century, it gradually lost its importance in favor of the viscounty of Albi.
This sign is warning us that this stretch of road is very treacherous and dangerous. So if you don't make it, we love you. Reaching this fortified site proved difficult, but not impossible. It's one of those castle ruins where imagination is your best weapon. When entering the castle, we see grooves in the stone which might indicate a portcullis. A rounded wall and stairs bring us to a beautiful viewpoint and give us views over the entire area and peninsula. It's not hard to understand why building a castle here was a good idea.
The other side lies the rocky spur on which rests what remains of the keep of the castle. Though there's not much to see these days, we can imagine a tall tower topped with battlements rising above the cliff. We have only one choice, but to follow the path. Steps cut in the stone, which get gradually more and more worn, lead up the rock. A final ascent into the keep is impossible these days. Alas!
The castle of Saint-Raphael was built sometime before the 12th century, as it is attested in documents of that time. During the Albigensian Crusade, it was captured by troops of Simon de Montfort and later added to the French crown lands after the truce. It would have to endure 2 more sieges during the 100 Years' War and the Wars of Religion. Despite this, it was inhabited up until the second half of the 18th century.
That was the castle at Ambialet, the Chateau de Saint-Raphael. Let's continue on with the arbitrary subjective castle score. And I'm gonna go for 5. Actually a pretty cool location. Love the warning signs keeping us out, and we went in anyway.
Yeah, I would agree, but I think maybe I'd score it 4.5. The adventure is the main point in this one.
Yeah.
The castle itself is not that great, but we've scored some lesser ones even as high, so I think this is a fair score.
Alright, thank you for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles. And if you have a question or any kind of comment, put it down below. We react to everything.
We were the History Hikers, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!